and it gives this nice fanned effect. It does make a difference, I promise you. And then wiggle back and forth on the lower lashes. And that gets right at the base and gets on either side of the lash. Wiggle, wiggle down, then go down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Then use the tip end to kind of just separate them. And there is your first lash look. Now go back into the barrel. Swirl it around. Don't ever go in and out. It takes air down in there and dries it out. People say it takes bacteria. It takes air. The bacteria comes from your own eyes. But it's your bacteria, so it shouldn't cause any problem to you. But never share it with someone else, because that's their bacteria. You don't want to share bacteria. So again, I'm tipping out the lashes. Now they've dried, so a little stiffer. So you gotta kind of work quickly. And what this does, the second coat kind of goops it up. Did you just see I hit my nose? But leave it there for a second. Get this off your eyelashes first. More important. And get it off your nose. And I'm going a little slow as I pull it through, because that's also kind of bending it backward. Look how much of a difference that makes. Do not wipe that. Get one of these and use the flat end. There. Now use the little pointy end to get that little one. There. And now you can kind of make sure you got that off. And then kind of blend the makeup back down, because now you've got a spot where there isn't makeup. Oops. And I looked down and that kind of made my mascara go down. Much better looking. I like it a lot. Tip the ends. See how it's goopy on the ends? It's okay. That's what you want, because you're going to comb off the excess, y'all. Oops, I got a little fuzz mixed in with my mascara. That's not cool. There, got it. Got it. Okay, tip that back out real good. And now you're going to rake it through. And I rake it slowly and push back so it kind of stands them up. See? That's a little too far in. That needs to look out more. There we go. And then tip this one towards the nose. Again, get right at the base to make sure it's nice and black at the base of your lower lash. But then we are going to tip the lower lash very quickly. Oops, I hit the skin again. What's my problem today? I'm using up these guys. Might as well just keep it over here, the way I'm going. There we go. And that one dried. It dries very quickly because it's waterproof, and that's why you like it, because when it dries quickly, it sets the lash in the position that you just curled it in. The bad news is you got to work real quick on getting the gloops off the end, or it'll look too much. And for that, you also can have a rake, as I call it, or an eyelash comb, which you can run through and get all the goopy tip ends off. Or, like me, if you have glasses and it's not too goopy, but it just really shows up the lash, I leave them on. Leave it on. One of the things you can do is squint and then go under. And that lifts it off. If you got like a wide on the end. There, that took that off. Perfect. Underneath, yeah, got it. There. There we go. And we're going to do it again over here. That's my lashes for today. I'm going to give the back down in it. There we are, y'all. We're done. That's the look. Make sure I don't have any. I have a little fallout. You can have mascara fallout too, so just use your. Oh, it's an eyelash. It's going to be very hard to get that. Because it's dried into my makeup, this little tiny eyelash. Can't get him. There, got him. See, my eyes are already starting to look crepey underneath from using that concealer. Do you see what I mean? And I have on moisturizer. And if I'd use powder, people say, use powder to set it. Powder even makes it thicker. One of the best things to use is a damp sponge to take off any excess. But when you're older, it's just going to, I mean, you are wrinkled, and makeup dries your skin out. I mean, it's just, but as I sweat, this will look better because natural moisture. The only real place to get moisture into your skin is from the inside. Water, 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 water. So this is my final look. This is my look with my glasses, which again, it kind of shows better the, it kind of shows the look of the lash through the glasses. And then there is my natural look lip. What do y'all think? Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you again soon. Love y'all.